Hello everyone, Peter here again, and voltage injection. We had 2 episodes of Toshiba, okay, and I did not do something which I could do actually, and I don't know why I haven't done it. I've seen that one of the chipsets faulty and I just took it for granted, I'll order a few from China, and guy went on a holiday, so that was matching the time. But now these chipsets came and I've installed it in the previous episode, and it turns out that there is a problem on a short on the 19 volt power rail. So I did check, and there is a MOSFET, and behind the MOSFET was the same voltage regulator as we had at the charging place. Yes, the same type. So I said, okay, so let me remove this one, because if I remove the MOSFET, there is like a density of those components. I'll show you. Yes, so here you see this section here. If I would use a hot air in this place, then I can remove this MOSFET, no problem, but you see it's a connector here and everything. Whereas if I remove SOP8, yes, SOP8, it's just 8-pin chipset, which I've got still 9 of them. It's no problem. So I won't be applying voltage on the side of that MOSFET, because when I removed it, guess what? The 19 volts show up on the MOSFET, so we're happy, yes? We thumbs up. Well, you can do thumbs up yourself if you want, but I mean here, yes? So, and thank you if you have done it. But here, in that case, I need to put it on the opposite side, which goes to the board. So I've done it, and I found the culprit. Let's switch to the to this. You see this? I couldn't find it anywhere. I was spraying IPA all over the board. I couldn't find it. I wouldn't guess this place at all. You know where it is? I'll show you on the board. Okay? It's well, here. It's here, in this place. Okay? I even removed the CPU just in case, I want to show you. Let's spray some IPA. Okay, you see it wet. We've got, I took it so it will be a lot of amps, because that's 19 volts rail, yes, so I'm not worried. And plus it's dead anyway, and customer will have to live with this. You see, this place is just bubbling like mad, and for sure it's not a coil. And this is this is getting ridiculous, you can say. So yeah, so we've got it. Now I need to remove it. And the question is, can I rip it off, or I need to... Ooh, holds quite well. So let me switch the iron. You see, I couldn't see it with a thermal camera because it was burned, yes? So sometimes when you've got a fault, it doesn't work when you spray IPA. You can see the fault. Not always, but yeah, you can. Okay, so that will take a wee while because my soldering iron is not on plus. We can add some flux here. Oh, too much. Oh, I'll have some cleaning. No problem. All I'm trying to do is remove this, because I'll have to take for granted that these two have the same capacitance. Or find schematics, and then match the component. We don't know how many, how many farads we need. Oh look, finally it's moving out. Okay. Need to heat up better this iron to get rid of this gunk. Once it's hot it will be okay, because it's a thick board. So you see, I wouldn't guess it, and I didn't have to use thermal camera or anything, yes? All I did was just making a, how you call it? Making a, come on, making a short to that short by applying voltage, not even those 19. I went when I've reached over 1 amp, and believe me, when such plays receive over 1 amp, you start to see things. Like after the drugs, like if I would know something about it, yeah, you see me sober all the time. But come on, I'm an addict on electronics. It still holds, to be true. I've got no idea why. You know what? Let's add to this gunk even more gunk. Because that will optimize the temperature. I should be able to move it away quicker. Yeah. You see? Now I need to clean up because I don't know if over there it can be a bridge or it cannot be a bridge. If cannot be a bridge, guess what? I just done one. No, it shouldn't be a bridge. So let me cut it and let's correct it, and we will see if that short is still again. Or what else can cause that rather than this capacitor, dead capacitor. What do we see here? Yeah, you see, it shouldn't be. So good that I've cleaned it up. Okay. Turn off the iron. Let's cut off this bit. And let's check for the short. Where's my meter? So again, diode mode. Happy days. Now let me go to the ground. Oh, no more short. Happy days. So we know that our culprit have caused that. So now I need to find some schematics. I'll show you. I'll put it, I can disconnect it. So we've got a fix probably, if lucky. Okay, that's the spot. So now, okay, now when I was touching on the ground, okay, so that's on the wire ground. When I was touching here, I had a beep like here, but now I don't have beep. Nothing. No more. No más, as Spanish are saying. Here, no más. That's a good side, you know. We've got 19 volts here normally. So now I can install it back. I can put that capacitor, and if there's anything else, I will know it. There was a, yes, one side on those capacitors was shorted, which is normal, and this shouldn't be shorted, and it's not anymore. Same story was here, yes. You see, one shouldn't be shorted, second should be shorted, because that's how it's worked, yes. Now I was taking it here on this place, which was at the top, okay, and these capacitors were shorted. Are they still shorted or not anymore? Because if they are, there is more to it, and I need to look more to it. No, they are keeping capacitance, that's okay. And now versus ground, then versus ground. No. Yeah. No. Good. 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 So the places where I had short. Good. Happy days. We don't have a short anymore on this board, guys. So I need to spend my time and get 11 minutes, and that's it. You know, that's everything. Good. The good thing is that I found that voltage regulator. Why? Because I don't have those MOSFETs, okay, and those voltage regulators are cheap, so it's okay. I paid like $570 for 10 of them, and that capacitor is peanuts. As long as I will know which capacitance I need to put, then that's okay. And then we can see again, you know, if that short exists. What I can do as well is I can put my probes onto that place. Let's switch as well. Okay, let's zoom, let's focus. And now, okay, now I can put into the diode. Ah, it says on the diode mode, that's fine. You can see here. Ah, okay, sorry. Yes. Not anymore. Okay, good. So this versus this. One should beep. That's the beep. That shouldn't beep. Very good. Beep. No beep. And beep. Very good. So we can check, and I can confirm by schematics, if I'll take my capacitance meter, okay, just out of curiosity, maybe I can read what's the capacitance of this one is. So let's put to 2000 micro, which never 2000 micro on that. I would put 200 microfarads, and that would be okay as well. Okay, it's 200 wouldn't be. It's 460, sorry, 460, 450, 450, 460. So about this, yes? It's jumping, 450, 460. We will see. I will check schematics and I will know. I know that that one is dead anyway, so fingers crossed, you know, I can find you know, which one it is and just install it. But that's it, guys. Yes, that's the old culprit of today's satellite dish meter, so that you can set it up. That's only one cell was faulty. Yes, £100 that battery cost. It's about $120 or something. £100 for that battery, unbelievable. And the fix was a single cell of 18650. Customer went and forgotten the wallet and the card. Poor fella will have to come back tomorrow, but he's bringing another stuff to repair, but not his friend, so we will have a laptop BIOS reset thanks to that. But anyways, so you see how I'm doing it. Hopefully this brings you some I meant to say joy, some value. I don't think there will be anything else. Fingers crossed. I need to let customer know that I need to look for this capacitor only. If possible, if you liked, because that's really helping my channel. I'm really trying to get to 100 subscribers. Then I think I will be able to change my URL on YouTube. I think, I'm not sure, I just from top of my head, because I've got other channels with more subscribers, and here is only 82 for now. So guys, if possible, let's fix them all. Yes, I've got so many jobs, and as you see, I can't tidy up even the room. I need to start PS5 tomorrow early in the morning because it's nearly 10 p.m. now, so I won't be starting anything new. And on Thursday, customers come, and 3 hard drives which are on this YouTube channel. You've seen, one is Porsche, FC Porsche, I think, or something. One is Seagate, and one something else. So yeah, customer need to decide what he wants to do with these. Yes, does he want to fix it or not? That's why we need to meet on Thursday. He will be copying his data from one hard drive to another, and I can try to fix his hard drives as electronic faults. I found these faults, so we can try to find it. Thank you guys. Well, you've got 16 minutes video. I was trying to be prompt. Believe me, there were 2 or 3 videos before this where I've started and there was something wrong. That's why I wanted to record one and short one, so you've got less than 20 minutes. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you to those who are interacting in any way. Guys, you've got no idea how I'm a social person. I hate to live in the world where nobody is around, so only customers when come I can open my mouth. Well, kids of course, yes, but it's really nice when you are interacting as well. Yes, I feel more alive. So thank you to those who can interact in any forum, you know. That's really appreciated. You've got no idea. If I would only record it and post it for customers or as unlisted, that would be really, you know, a really you know, sadder time for me. But because I've got some interaction here and there, it's really nice. So thank you guys. You've got no idea how good job those who are doing it are doing, and thank you for that. But anyways, that's it. I can say that hopefully this will be a fix. If I'll find more issues, yes, I'll post another video, but I want to first test it, yes, and see it. I need to check what capacitance to that capacitor, solder that SOP8 chip, and fingers crossed, customer will be happy customer. Yes, thank you guys. See you later. Bye bye.